Today I taught Clyde how to drive for the first time. He can't drive until he gets his permit, and he's only 15, and you can get your permit when you are 16. And you can't drive by yourself. You have to have a professional driver right next to you, or the police will catch you. This is Clyde. Hi, Clyde.
Sorry.
We're gonna use Daddy's work car, so I'm gonna teach you what to do first, okay? You have to be a good driver. Ready? I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna teach you how. Okay? So always seat belt first. Okay. Drive slow. Okay. Oh, slow. Slow, slow, slow. Slow, very slow. Stop, stop, stop. Stop. There is a stop sign here. So what do you do?
Stop.
Okay, stop. Stop for 5 seconds. You have to look left and right twice. You go straight. I'll tell you where to go. Not too close to the pole. Oh my goodness.
Out. I will not hit it.
Okay, go straight. Go straight. Okay. Slow down, slow down. Step on the brake a little bit. Slow, slow, slow. Be gentle when stepping on the brake. And we'll wrap it up. Okay, there you go. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching our video, and we'll see you again next time. Bye.